Okay, now that we have completed the plan and the architectural drawing, we're going to see how we can present it in the sheets. So here in the project browser, if you go down here, okay, in the project browser you'll see sheets, and it says sheets all. So we have one sheet available for us, the A100 unnamed, that is given to us by Autodesk. So this is the sheet right over here. You can see the project name, a title, owner, etc, etc. So let's edit the project name. Let's give this, let's say that house plan. Okay, project name is house plan. Title would be, let's say, HD1, house type 1. The owner is going to be us, not the US, it is us. The author, let's say, since I have drawn it, my initials ZZ, checked by also ZZ, and as you can see, it is putting the date in automatically, today's date, the day I'm recording this lecture. This is the date there, and then you can add the project number as well. Let's say that this is our very first project, so project number 1. The drawing number, you can also say that this is going to be the drawing number 1. Okay, so when you give the drawing number there, you can see that the drawing number has automatically been added there. Alright, so now that we have prepared our sheet, we're ready to bring in our drawings into the sheet, which we'll see in the next video. Okay, so that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.